One thing, Etsy family, you need to understand is that timing is key. And what I mean by timing is that if you see something that actually you can sell now, then sell it now and not tomorrow. Don't wait. But I'm going to go into this, guys. But as usual, if you love Etsy products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell to get more of these videos in your feed, mate. In your feed. Anyways, listen, something that people don't really talk about much is that we know about competition, we know about saturation levels, we know about all of this stuff. However, what you need to understand is that everything changes. Things change, trends change, designs over time change. Things that are bestsellers today may not be in a month's time. Things that are trending may not be in a few months' time, and so on. It's a changeable environment, right? So things keep moving. People search on a particular keyword. In a month, it might be 500. In another month, it might be 700. The month after that might be 200. So search volumes change, and competition, amount of competition also changes. So one day you might have a design that you think is going to sell fantastically well. And then all of a sudden, in a few weeks, you will see that it's flooded with competition around you. So the key to this is when you see something that's unsaturated, that's ready to pounce on, ready to design and get listing on, do not wait, man. There's so many people that actually they've got great ideas, they found them, they've done their research, done their SEO, all ready to go, and they haven't listed it. And then when they come around to listing it, actually, it's too late. It's actually too late. The saturation levels are too high. It's harder to rank. It's harder for the Etsy algorithm to favor you. So the thing about Etsy, it's all about timing, right? It's all about understanding what works. So get yourself your research SEO tool. Check out link in my description, free access. Just try it out. But what I'm saying is the key thing is to see what is working at the time. So I'll give you a pure example, okay? A proper example. Now things, when it comes to Q4 and you want to design things for Christmas time, right? You need to get that ready beforehand. Now you've got to think about it as a customer. If you're a customer and you want to buy stuff for Christmas, what do you do? When are you going to buy it? Some people might buy something in November. Some people are really organized and they buy it maybe 2 or 3 months before. Some people are last minute and buy like late December, right? That's how customers operate. So you have to put your customer hat on. So let's say you want to design things for Christmas. The smart way to do it is to design it back in time when that wave is starting to turn. So it could be 3 months before, right? It could be 3 months because people are organized. And you will start seeing there's a wave of activity on the Etsy platform that starts to grow as that time comes. And what you want to do with your listing, you want to create it at a time so that it actually rides the wave and it goes up, mate. It goes up and up and up. Because imagine, look, each listing, when it starts, Etsy gives it a little boost. It tries it out in different keyword places that you've got them. You've written the title in and so forth, right? It gives it that little boost. And the reason why it gives it that little tester boost is to see if anybody is biting. And what I mean by biting, if there's potential customers looking at it, clicking on it, buying it, right? And if it does see that something is working, then Etsy will push it more, okay? Now imagine you have got something where you understand that there's a trend. You can see that the designs are selling in a particular sub niche. So then what you do is you create a design around it. So what you're doing is you are technically riding a wave because people are looking for this particular thing. Now, if you leave it too late, man, if you leave it too late and you just dwell or you procrastinate and you start looking around and you start dwelling and you start thinking what's going on and then list it a bit too late, it's not going to have the same effect. It's not going to have that same boost. And plus on top of that, you're going to have people around you all listing up ready because listen, people are quick. People are ready. And they are not going to stop. They are consistent. So you have to be ready too. You have to be quick. You have to be relentless. You have to be consistent. This game is not for the weak, man. It's not for the weak, right? People are looking all the time. The eyes are looking all over this place. Like, what are we going to do today, man? They are looking, seeing, understanding, researching on a daily. You got to remember, these people are on here all the time, man. All the time. So you need to be quick. When you see something that is good, unsaturated. You've identified it. Don't wait till tomorrow. Get it designed, listed up right now, quickly, one time. Yeah? Because you're going to get that opportunity. If you're first before everybody else, that's going to give you a better chance. So listen, my advice is always find it, research it, as in find it, research it, design it, list it. Don't wait. You got to be ready. Don't be waiting around thinking, why haven't I sold anything, man? I got 3,000 lists. Don't be crying like this. Don't be saying, oh, why? No one's gonna help you, right? Only I can help you. No one's gonna help you, right? I'm gonna give you the reality, the truth, the real deal, how it is. You know what I mean? No sugarcoating. It is what it is. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Them ones there, right? So don't be like, don't be crying about this. This is how we do it, right? Get your opportunity. Find, research it, design it, list it, all quickly. Boom, one time. Don't wait around. Okay. If you start thinking too much, you're not going to do it. It's as simple as that. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say. And look, it's an abundant thing. It's massive. It's everywhere. Look, I'll just go. Look, do you know what I like doing? If for those ones that I want to just list up one time, like just quick time, I do this. I go product analytics on EVERBEE. Check it out, my free access, I just go to entire database. Let's say I want to do clip arts. This is what I do. Very quick, simple strategy of getting and finding those nuggets quickly. A little nugget, little golden thing sitting there in the sand. Yeah? Right. That's it. Right? Let me go entire database. Boom. Very quick, right? Product analytics, entire database. 2 steps already. So your next question might be, how do I find AJ, how do I find what's working right now? I want to show you a very quick process of just seeing what generally is working right now, right? And just quick validation. This is a quick one. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this. So I go to EVERBEE, check out link in my description, free access, product analytics, boom. Step 1. Step 2, I go to search the entire database, right? Click step 2. By the way, check out my community, yeah? Come over to and see my Etsy community, new community where we answer all kind of questions. Nice fun, you know, always bringing new stuff there. So come over, have a look. Link is at the bottom. So yeah, so what I did was entire database, and then filter it. I like to go to, let me just go to a 1-month-old listings. I'm just going to go to 1-month-old listings. Imagine a 1-month-old listing making money straight away. Isn't that good? So that's telling you something. It's a little hint that there's something about it, right? So all of these are 1-month-old listings, right? In the clip art world. Now there's bundles there, but I'm not going to look at bundles. I just want to look at a particular designs, particular designs, right? So let me just have a look at this one, right? I'm going to click on this. Actually, I've seen this one before. Okay, this is a very good sign. So very quickly, I've gone on to this listing. It's a 1-month-old listing making $1,020. I've seen this one before, by the way. And I'll just show it to you very quickly. It's actually a farm one. All kinds of nice farm one. Now, what I will do is I'll analyze it. So I see it's a watercolor style, nice, friendly looking farm animals, right? Nice. Got a lot of assets, got 135 assets. So, okay, I know that a bundle working, farms working possibly, but I need to verify and validate a little bit more. Okay, so that's going to be maybe one part of my process where I start studying the farm ones a bit more. So I might go to keyword. So actually what I'll do is, as a next step is, I might go to keyword research, and this is going to give me a little bit of an idea, possibly if something is okay to do. Just an idea, by the way, right? Not necessarily science. Well, it is science. Farm clip art, right? Farm clip art, because that one seemed to do pretty well. Now there may be other factors that has made it really good seller. Might be the store that's already a big store, and obviously they can draw on their own audience to come and buy. That could be one possibility, but I like to quickly do a bit of keyword research as well, just to see what's going on, right? There is a bit of potential. There's a keyword score, not the biggest keyword scores, 20, not the highest, I mean. But like what I would tend to do is I'll start look at related keywords maybe that I see that also might be quite strong. Okay. And that's the good thing about EVERBEE. You can go and sort of go into a bit more investigation. Now, if you look at this is taking me through some related keywords, which might be good. And I might go to keyword to do a bit of filtration. My filtration might be a minimum of 100, and then I might include the word farm as part of it, like, because it's farm that I'm sort of studying. So this is where I seek my validation, right? If I don't see that it's great, by the way, if I don't see it being great, I'll leave it and I'll move to the next one. because I'm not going to waste my time. Don't waste your time. Just like, if something's not validated being really good, don't go through with it. Because at the end of the day, I got 20 keyword score, of 20. That's not great. However, look at this. The word farming clip art. So farming clip art has actually got a decent, very good keyword score. Only a volume of 382 with a competition of 2085. That's pretty good, by the way, guys. Here's another one, farming animal clip art. So what is interesting is that the actual word farm clip art is maybe not the strongest. However, farming clip art is a good one, and farming animal clip art is even better with a fantastic keyword score. So with some very quick validation, I've noticed that actually the farm related keywords are fantastic. And actually this is probably one big reason why this clip art has really rocketed quickly. So this is what you do. Now, if I was to leave this another maybe, I don't know, month or whatever, a few weeks, then other people will probably be listing up quickly. And then that will make it more saturated. And what that means is that there'll be too much competition and the keyword score will be too low. So yeah, so for more information, remember, come join my community if you're not sure about how all that works. I can answer all your questions. But basically, guys, do not wait. When you find something, validated it, go and list it up, man. Go and list it up. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. See you on the next one. Take care, man. Take care.